To fix yellow or orange screen on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we should be able to scroll down a little bit in order to find Display and Brightness. And then in here, look for the Reading mode. Most likely the screen is so yellow or orange because of this mode, so we can just simply turn it off. You can also check if you have a schedule enabled, so that of course you will prevent it from being turned on automatically after some time. Besides that, another thing that you can check is the color scheme option in display and brightness. And over here, for example, if you use advanced settings, perhaps one of these settings is messed up a little bit, and for example, like the hue is changed or something. So in that case, what you want to do is probably switch to a different color palette. For example, you can switch to Original Color Pro or Vivid, depending which one you like the most. And also you can check the color temperature. If you set it, for example, to warm or something like that, it might look like the screen is slightly yellowish. So you can, for example, set it to default. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.